We can bust arms dealers all the livelong day, but that up there, that's the end game. How are you guys planning on beating them?
Together.
We'll lose. That what we needed was a pseudo armor around the world. Remember that? Whether it impacted our precious freedom or not. That's what we needed.
Well, that didn't work out.
I said we'd lose. You said not together too. Guess what, Cal? We lost. You won.